Okay, we are solving the ISI M.MATH question. This is question number 4. In this one, we will be solving. They have given that g dash x equal to f of x, then summation of x's q f of x squared dx is given by what? And there are 4 options are provided. Okay, so now let's start with a different note. Okay, so ddx of g of x square. So if you are having any problem in finding this question, so x is q f of x square, and this is g dash x equal to fx. So we are trying to find it, the ddx of g of x square. So this is 2 into, so this we will be needing it here in this zone, so that's why we are finding it, x into g dash x square. So that is 2 into f into x square. This is the first part done. Now you just add a page over here. Now integration of x cube, if we look into these options, x cube dx, that is equal to nothing but half x square ddx of square dx. Now doing the integration by parts here will give you half x square g of x square minus half integration to x g of x square dx plus c. So this is now half x square g of x square minus integration of x g of x square dx plus c. Okay, so this is the part. Now we get back to this. So our answer came as half into x square g of x square minus x g of x square dx plus c. Hence, yes, the students has also done correct. So B is the answer in this case.